Squadron with love, it's the heart in the sky. How about that? Let's give our Vanguard pilots a very big round of applause.
Physical training and execute an average of 10 free fall jumps per day. The parachute has 7 openings on the front, allowing air.
Today's jumpers will be packing their parachutes in the hangar alongside the U.S. Air Force recruiters table.
The bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
Visually judge your angular and velocity closure prior to smoothly moving aircraft from a kilometer away to the airfield. All these constant terms is quality
Oh, this is ready for like top 3 went down on that. Joined the Vanguards back in 2010. He enjoys flying competition aerobatics. His day job is that of an aerial firefighter. Flying number 2 is a hero, and beginning his career working with General Atomics designing where he was a director of unmanned drone. He received his pilot's license while in high school to fly. on display today, and hope you'll check them out on Facebook and on their website at thevanguardsquadron.com.
Overruled the two-ship. Randy is focused on a specific rivet on Wilbur's jet, keeping that reference in the Flying the L-39 isn't about breaking the sound barrier, it's about grace.
Their next maneuver, the Vic formation loop. Each wingman making precise and exact control movements to ensure that formation and position on the leader. Let's listen in live in the cockpit as Vanguard 1 makes the call.
Stars through the peril, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. The home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a huge...
Give a warm welcome to Major Zachary Switch Helton. Today's jumpers will be packing their parachutes in a hangar alongside the U.S. Air Force recruiters table. Please come out and meet the Wings of Blue. To stay up to date with all things...
Aaron's going to bring it around. He's going to open up the canopy here, and you can give him the biggest round of applause of... and fastest high-speed test track right next door to where we are.
Pretty cool. You want to press a couple buttons? Go press that one! Where's the idea?
So we work with different people all the time. We put them into areas so they can do their job, and then we work with them. But we do everything from moving.
Y'all got a very